Hello, my name is Johnny. Welcome to another World War II 172 video. We're going to look at the British Bren carrier today, universal carrier. If you'd like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, reply, and share. Got them displayed here on one of my little war game mats and one of my backgrounds I made. Look at these first. These, I think, were Airfix, and if you look, they're slightly smaller because they were like more 176 scale. Sometimes they'd label them 172. And we have some little men in here. Some of these are more finished than others. There's that Hindustan that came with a lot of them. Put that on there. Did these at different times. These are good for towing the 6-pounder. This one's just got the driver in it. Extra land. Yeah, so that was the same one on there. So nice little transport for the British. And then these two, I think, are plastic soldier brand. They're more detailed. You can see how much larger they are. Got a nice crew in there. These were done later, so they look a little bit better. Got some nice weathering on there. Nice helmets with a little camouflage netting. There's the Bren gun. That kit didn't come with decals, so with it, so that's why there's nothing on there. The second one. Added a little box there. Slightly different colors. So those look nice. The other two were metal. This one, I forget what it was supposed to have, and it didn't have any crew, so it's just like this and just partially finished. Could use some markings, a crew, some gear and stuff. And this one's a nice heavy metal. It's heavy kit. Got some decals and put that on there. Some crew I had. I believe I have a couple of Bren done up in the Desert War colors, and they're packed away with my 8th Army stuff. And then I also did I didn't know that earlier in my life until later about all the things that the Russians got as Lend-Lease. They had some Bren. Got some neat books that actually show some of them with Soviet soldiers. So I have some of those with the Russian ones, but I didn't bring that over here. It's just the British forces. So done in green. So this is, could use these in Italy and Northwest Europe, France and Holland, and into Germany. So a collection of the universal carrier, sometimes known as the Bren, because it usually had a Bren gun with it. Kind of a neat thing. So instead of making their own type of half tracks like the Americans did and Germans, the British had these carriers, and they're basically, as you see, they fit four soldiers. Some of them were armed with a mortar, and I believe one was even armed with a small flamethrower that was either called a Wasp or a Satan, I believe. Kind of interesting. And there was probably other variations. And then like of the Lloyd carriers, they're a little bit bigger and kind of neat. I have done some of those, and a separate set, so I don't know if I've done those yet. I'll do those in the future. Alright, so that's a look at these for British forces, for diorama display and war game use. Until next time, more World War II, 1/72 scale. Thanks for watching, everyone.